Today, I'm in New York talking about how the age of your network affects your need for high remote monitoring flexibility and reliability. Hi, this is Andrew from DPS and welcome back. I'm in New York this week visiting clients, and I wanted to use the city as a backdrop to talk a little bit about the age of your network and how it affects your remote monitoring requirements. The first subway service in the city started in 1904. The power grid and the phone network are similarly old. And each time they got improved over the decades, you couldn't just start over. No one could build a whole new network from scratch. You had to incrementally evolve new technologies on top of the old ones and use several generations at once. So when you talk about remote monitoring, the age of your underlying systems that you need to monitor really demand that you have a system that can pull in inputs from a variety of different generations. You might have contact closures right next to the Modbus protocol, maybe collecting some SNMP traps. There are a lot of different technologies. You need to make sure that your remote monitoring equipment can accommodate each of those. Now, your network might not be nearly as old as New York, but I can guarantee you probably at least have a few decades worth of equipment. So you really do need to consider all the different input types that you need to pull into your remote monitoring system. Then about reliability. There are some very harsh environments, especially in urban areas like this, where you may have equipment that's installed underground and you might have a lot of dust involved, and you really need to make sure that equipment's been tested for EMI, for intrusion of dust. So just work with your manufacturer, make sure that wherever you're going to be installing gear, that the environment is not going to cause undue harm, because really your remote monitoring system needs to be the last thing to ever fail. So if you'd like to talk to me about your remote monitoring goals, please give me a call. Just click the link below. And if you like this video, don't forget, click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and until next time, I wish you excellent network reliability.